Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll be sharing a practical technique for handling newly purchased plants once they arrive at your home. This method helps the plant adapt quickly, encourage consistent root development, and promotes healthy blooming throughout the year. Let's get started. I just got this plant from a flower shop. The moment I saw its flower stalks starting to bloom, I decided to bring it home right away. Let's cut open the plastic orchid pot on the outside to check the condition of the root system. The roots show clear signs of rot and excess moisture retention. Some areas are soft and discolored, indicating that the plant has been sitting in a waterlogged environment for too long. I'll start by removing all of the old moss medium and replacing it with fresh moss. Repotting like this gives the plant a brand new environment and, more importantly, it gives me a chance to really inspect the roots and treat any issues before they get worse. Moss is great for retaining moisture, which orchids love, but over time, it starts to break down. It gets compacted and dense, which means less airflow to the roots. Next, I'll rinse the plant under running water. After trimming the damaged roots, I'll wash the entire plant under running water to remove any remaining dirt. This process thoroughly cleans the roots and base, setting the stage for the plant to adapt to the new medium. Washing also eliminates any bacteria or fungi lingering from the old medium. If left behind, these could continue to grow and harm the plant in its new environment. Let's take a soft, absorbent cloth and carefully pat the plant dry, making sure to remove any excess moisture from the leaves and roots without causing damage. If left untreated, they can hinder new root growth. So, I'll trim away the damaged roots, helping the plant focus nutrients on stimulating new, healthy roots. Trimming old, worn-out roots not only relieves the plant from supporting weak roots, but also encourages stronger new ones. These new roots will absorb water and nutrients more effectively, aiding quick recovery after repotting. Use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Cinnamon acts as a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent, helping to prevent further infection and promote faster healing of any cuts or damaged tissue on the plant. Next, we're going to use banana peel. It's rich in potassium and other essential nutrients that help stimulate root growth and support the plant's recovery process. By placing small pieces of banana peel near the base of the plant or mixing it into the growing medium, We provide a natural source of slow-release nutrition that benefits the plant over time. Next, we're going to use a piece of aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains natural enzymes, vitamins, and antimicrobial compounds that help soothe damaged roots, accelerate healing, and boost the plant's resistance to stress. We're going to combine aloe vera with banana peel to enhance the plant's recovery process. The banana peel provides essential nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, while the aloe vera gel offers natural healing compounds and antimicrobial properties. Pour 1,000 milliliters of water. This combination helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively and recover faster from stress. Soak it for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, once the nutrients have been released into the water, then we'll strain the solution using a fine mesh or filter to remove the cinnamon powder residue, leaving behind a clean liquid ready for use on the plant. In this first step, we're going to use the cinnamon solution to gently wipe down the orchid's leaves. Now, the thing is, cinnamon contains natural minerals and compounds, especially calcium, iron, and manganese, that can support healthy leaf function and help the plant recover from stress. When we clean the top surface of the leaves, we're actually helping to open up the stomata, those tiny pores that allow the plant to breathe and photosynthesize more efficiently. This cleaning step has another benefit. It introduces a natural antibacterial layer from the cinnamon. After about 30 minutes, then, we'll strain it through a fine mesh or filter to separate out any leftover pulp or fibers. We're now going to combine the cinnamon solution with the banana peel and aloe vera extract we prepared earlier. The cinnamon helps shield the plant from infections, while the banana and aloe provide minerals and natural growth stimulants. Place the plant into the solution to soak. While the root wounds are still open, they can more easily absorb minerals and beneficial compounds from the mixture. Soak it for 30 minutes. With the remaining solution, we'll use it to soak the pine bark that will be used as the growing medium for the plant. Soaking the bark in this nutrient-rich liquid helps disinfect it naturally and allows the material to absorb beneficial compounds before being placed around the roots. Soaking it for 1 day. After 30 minutes, once the plant has absorbed enough nutrients from the solution, we'll carefully take it out. Gently apply cinnamon powder to the wound area to help dry it out. This step is important because cinnamon acts as a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent, helping to prevent infections that could enter through the exposed tissue. By drying out the wound, it creates a protective barrier that slows down moisture loss and blocks harmful pathogens from getting in. After soaking for a full day, we'll take the pine bark out of the solution and let any excess liquid drain off. Now we can place the plant into the prepared pot and arrange the pine bark around the roots, making sure the plant is stable and well supported in its new growing medium. Next, we're going to add a layer of moss on top of the potting medium. This layer helps retain surface moisture, keeps the root zone slightly humid, and protects the newly planted orchid from sudden temperature changes. So now we're going to use the solution made from cinnamon, banana peel, and aloe vera to gently wipe down the orchid's leaves. When we wipe the top surface of the leaves, it's not just about cleaning. We're actually helping the plant open up its stomata, those tiny pores that control how the orchid breathes and takes in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Wiping the underside of the leaf is just as important, if not more. That's where a lot of buildup tends to hide fine dust, small pest eggs, and grime that can block gas exchange. Pour it into a fine mist spray bottle. This method is super useful, especially if you're busy but still want to keep your orchids healthy and thriving. This kind of light misting doesn't just feed the plant, it also increases the humidity around it, which is really important for orchids. They're epiphytes, meaning they grow on trees in the wild and pull moisture from the air instead of soaking in wet soil. After 4 weeks, overall, the plant looks really healthy and strong. After 4 weeks, let's take a closer look at the roots. You can see that many of the older roots have started to plump up, showing a healthy, firm texture. That silvery green color means they're actively absorbing moisture. There are also several new root tips emerging, which is a really positive sign. These new tips usually appear bright green or slightly reddish, and they're smooth and glossy, indicating strong growth activity. And that's it for today's Orchid Care Update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.